If you are a science and cricket fan, you will love this news. The latest research by Professor Mahesh Panchangula from IIT Madras shows with mathematical certainty that on spin-friendly high-friction cricket pitches, like those commonly found in the Indian subcontinent, spinners will achieve their maximum impact if they rely on pure off-spin and leg spin instead of top spin and side spin. In fact, this is just one example. There is a lot more that Professor Mahesh and his research team could show mathematically, because for the first time, anyone has been able to put together the actual mathematical model of what happens when a cricket ball is thrown all the way when it's in the air and when it bounces off the ground. Now don't get me wrong, earlier models have existed, but they either focused only when the ball was in the air or when it hit the ground, because one is a fluid dynamics problem and the other falls under the collision physics domain. And that's exactly what makes this new research absolutely fascinating.
If I threw the ball with a certain velocity and let's say it hits the ground, what do I expect will happen after the bounce?
So what exactly did Professor Mahesh and his research team had to do to build a unified model like this that considered both fluid dynamics and collision mechanics? Well, first they mapped the ball's flight in the air using standard Newton's law of motion, factoring in gravity, aerodynamic drag which slows the ball down, and lift, the Magnus effect which basically curves the ball. But to account for the heavy rotation of a spin delivery, they also had to use something called spin factor. Anyway, the real magic of their model happens once the ball hits the ground, because instead of just calculating how high the ball bounces, they actually utilize the 3D bounce matrix to model both traction and friction of the pitch. So cool. And when they tested this model, the result was pretty much aligned with what one would observe when one is watching or playing cricket. For example, when the model analyzed pure off-spin delivery, it showed that there would be a subtle deceptive drift in the air, and upon hitting the pitch, the ball would create a sharp deviation, which indeed is what will happen for a good off-spin delivery. Now, the beauty of being able to have just the right maths for a physical phenomena is that now we can do so much more strategic analysis in sports like cricket. For example, this model shows objectively that when playing on overseas pitches that don't offer as much grip as Indian pitches typically do, then relying on the pitch to turn the ball is a losing strategy. And therefore, bowlers on these surfaces should rather shift to a combination of side spin and top spin, because by doing so, they essentially take the pitch out of the equation entirely and just use the aerodynamics to deceive the batter with unpredictable mid-air drift and also sudden trajectory dips. Maybe that's why someone like Kuldeep Yadav has performed better overseas than in India, because that's the kind of spin he's really good at. It's truly amazing to see such diverse and interesting research happening in places like IIT Madras.